Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we set default font size in our Poco phone. Friends, you want to set guys your default font size setting in your Poco phone. So how can you set today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like my video guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to set this font size guys. So I scroll it, hence you can see display setting is tap here guys. Again scroll, friends, you can see your text size setting in font size setting is you can set your default text size from here guys. You can see large and guys small means normal size guys. So guys you can set your default text size from means font size from here. So friends, you can see your default font size setting guys. So like that guys, you can set your default font size in your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.